Good morning, student. Here I am Dr. Rajesh, Head Department of Zoology, Mahatma Gandhi Mahavidyalaya, Ahmedpur, District Latur. So we study in detail today the BSc third year, the syllabus of paper number 12, semester 5th, and the paper is Ecology and Zoogeography. In this paper, we study the second one chapter, that is the introduction to ecosystem, especially the types of ecosystem, and one example with that the terrestrial ecosystem with the desert examples. Okay, so we see one by one. So there are how many types of ecosystems? Basically, the ecosystem is nothing but this is the one of the study of ecological environment of abiotic and the biotic community. So on that basis, as well as the anthropogenic effect, the how the interaction of a human being is involving in that. So on that basis, the ecosystems are classified, divided. So basically, types of ecosystems divided. All the ecosystems are divided into mainly two types, that is the artificial ecosystem and second one the natural ecosystem. So artificial ecosystem is nothing but this is the articulated by the artificially or the prepared by the artificially by the human being for their various purposes. There are man-made ecosystem. There are also what is the man-made ecosystem. Example: cropland, village, city, as well as the farm. The farmers making a farm. Different type of farms are prepared and they formed. Due to that, they are called as the artificial ecosystem. And the natural ecosystems are nothing but these are the self-regulating system without much direct interference of a human. So basically, main difference is that in between the artificial and the natural one is that the human being is articulated. This is the artificial ecosystem. And the human being is not interfering, that is the natural ecosystem. So it means that the naturally created like the pond, lake, forest and the desert ecosystem. Basically there are a lot of examples in that, and ecosystems study nowadays a separate branch under the artificial ecosystem. How they are the artificial ecosystems are effect or the impact on the natural ecosystem. This is the new one research area for this ecologist. Okay, so we see one by one. So desert ecosystem is one of the example. There are many type of ecosystems which are on the basis of which content involving in that ecosystem as a biotic component or the community. So this desert ecosystem is defined as such land having a very warm climate with sand and receiving less than 25 centimeter water. So basically there is less amount of water. This is the basic criteria, as well as they are having showing the sandy land or this is also what the sand ecosystem or the sand land ecosystem also. So what is the characteristic? The characteristic of a desert ecosystem, it is created by the sand land. There is a huge amount of sand in that and the less amount of water. Basically these two controversy characters are involved in that. There is absence of plenty of vegetations. Of course, there is a less amount of water, so vegetation also very less. Plant are horny shrubs. So this is the differentiating characteristic because the plants are water saving plants are found in the desert ecosystem. There is low water in the area. The rainwater is at 25 centimeter, below the 25 centimeter, and the high temperature range is 50 to 56. So actually this is by the record of the reference book, but basically it is a variable in between the 50 to 60 also. The light penetration to it is very high. The light penetration of light, this property or the parameter is very high as compared to the other ecosystem. Okay, so in thank you very much. In next lecture we discuss about the structural abiotic and the biotic community. Thank you very much.